There's the long-term problems of the China economy, which we're familiar with, but there's the way that we treat them on a daily basis. Like Sam was talking about, I mean, the daily news comes in and people are pouring over and going, oh my God, you know, the government is now panicking because they're talking about investing in the stock market. This is clearly a sign of panic. Or, you know, on a different day we'll go, well, the government just isn't able to do enough on a daily basis to stimulate consumer demand or something like that. Is the state of mind in policy-making circles in China, is it a state of panic? Is it a state of not knowing what they're going to do next, or are they actually fairly comfortable in the way they're progressing with this?
Well, we can never really say because that sort of stuff is kept pretty private. But my impression is that there's a lot of consternation, a lot of worry about what to do next. They've been talking, for example, about boosting consumption for years. And if you look at the data, they don't tell us that consumption has strengthened at all. What they're doing in the market, I think, is part of their concern about confidence. There's this perception that the biggest problem in China is the lack of confidence. I would say that's not the biggest problem. The lack of confidence is a consequence of the deeper problems. But at any rate, to the extent that you believe confidence is the biggest problem, then what you want to do is to try to revive confidence, revive or at least stabilize the property market, and get the stock market going up again. So I think there's a great deal of interest in seeing a revival of the stock market. The problem is that Chinese investors aren't stupid. They've seen this game before. They know that when the government is determined that stock prices go up, they'll keep doing things until stock prices go up. So you very often get a lot of buying at the beginning of these periods. But they're not buying because of improved expectations. They're buying because they're very clearly gaming what they think is government signaling. And so there's a question of how long that lasts.